Hey everyone, I ended up near the Prohodna Cave, also known as the Eyes of God. It was a last minute decision because I was supposed to go to a totally different place, but in the last moment we decided to change direction. So here I am. The day is a little bit cloudy, but let's enjoy. Oh, look how beautiful, green and different colors. The bridge of the smile. Uh-oh, it's shaking.
There's a monastery everywhere in Bulgaria.
It's part of the culture. It says, you're welcome, you're wonderful, smile, believe in miracles, I believe in you, the power is in you, I love you. Okay, let's see now. So there is Prohodna, people are preparing to jump. Yeah, it looks nice. Actually, people go on this other side too for the view. Okay, let's go. Today I'm traveling with a friend, so don't be surprised if you hear his voice in the background. We have just arrived to Prohodna, a stunning cave in north-central Bulgaria, located in the Iskar Gorge near the village of Karlukovo. Famous for its two eyes in the ceiling, known as God's eyes, Prohodna was formed by natural processes in one of Bulgaria's largest karst regions. We can already see the iconic eye holes, and this is the reason why this cave is called the Eyes of God. So here they are. Let me find a better place to show you. The cave is 262 meters long. It has two entrances, a small one and a big one. And the height on one of the entrances is up to 35 meters. The height of the chamber, this chamber, is about 45 meters. Remember, this restaurant was on the other side. Yeah. You could see this entrance.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, Jesus. Oh. For adventure enthusiasts, Prohodna Cave is a popular destination for bungee jumping. While not everyone may be brave enough to take the leap, watching others experience the thrill is quite enjoyable. As you explore Prohodna Cave, take a moment to appreciate these beautiful stone pyramids. Each one represents a wish, a hope, or a personal intention. Visitors add their own stone to the top, creating a shared connection through this meaningful tradition. It's a lovely reminder that even in the depths of a cave, we can express our dreams and connect with one another. So, as you place your stone here, think of the wishes that resonate in your heart. We were running a bit late, but decided to check out another nearby attraction, the Eco Trail Golden Panega. Unfortunately, we couldn't explore it fully because I needed to get back to my dad as I take care of him. I hope to return one day to walk the entire trail. The park is just a short drive from Lukovic, and it's a perfect spot for nature lovers and anyone looking to soak up some stunning views. If you have a few hours to spare, I highly recommend checking it out alongside Prohodna Cave. Together they make for a perfect day of exploring. Oh, look how beautiful! Green and different colors.
Yeah.
Let's move.
So that where you can walk along the water, that's here. So that's here too. isn't it?
Yeah. That's what we are doing now.
No, but there's a bridge also, like
Yeah.
a wooden bridge.
Yeah.
It goes a high rock and then what is it there?
Well, I have to call my dad,
Yeah.
see if...
The temperature is nice here. Quite temperature. Oh yeah, it is.
You will be amazed by the milky blue waters of the Zlatna Panega River, which make this eco trail so picturesque. The unique color is due to the high concentration of calcium carbonate in the river. After passing the paddle boat rental, you will enjoy a pleasant 1-hour walk along the river with stunning views, wooden bridges, and truly breathtaking nature. The most impressive part is where you walk on a wooden platform resembling a bridge under towering cliffs carved by the river. Unfortunately, we couldn't reach the most scenic part because I started stressing about my father. I called him a couple of times, he didn't answer, and we decided to go back to Sofia. The entire length of the Eco Trail is 12 kilometers, with about 3 kilometers along the river being the most beautiful part. The trail ends at the Prohodna Cave. However, once the route leaves the river, it becomes difficult to navigate due to the lack of markings or signs. This is the Bridge of the Smile. The smile is free. Do we go up?
Yeah, there's no other way.
Let them pass. We are just going to walk through the bridge of the smile. It's shaking. From what I managed to explore, I really liked it and I would love to come back. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.